Just landed your first job as an AI scientist and wondering what you will be working on, what will your day-to-day look like? Let's discuss that today. Hi guys, my name is Rawlani. I'm a senior AI scientist and I've been working in this field for 5 years now. And today we'll be discussing on what can a fresher expect when they join a company as an AI scientist, what tools and technology they'll be working on, and what will their day-to-day look like. So let's get started. What will happen when you join a company? So now that you have joined an IT company in India, in your initial weeks, your time will be mostly spent on understanding what your company's projects, products, and services are, how the different layers interact with each other, that is UI, middleware, and AI service, and what AI microservices are already in place and how they work together. You'll get a knowledge transfer session for the specific AI microservice that you'll be working on. This includes the code structure of the microservice, how your service interacts with UI, how it is deployed to the cloud, and how the final results are stored in the database, which are finally shown to the user. One pro tip: read the documentation of codebase thoroughly and have a good understanding of Python language. Your first real responsibility. As a fresher, you'll typically start with maintaining an existing AI microservice. This means if there are any errors or failures in your AI microservice, then you would be the one responsible for fixing them and get the code updated, reviewed, tested, and deploy it in different environments, that is dev, staging, and production environment. One pro tip: start debugging the code, and this will help you to understand what each function does, how the entire flow of microservice works, and what are the intricacies that might have been missed during the KT sessions. Third section: growing into the feature development. Once you have gained good understanding of the functionality of your microservice, how it interacts with UI, how are the results showcased to the client, gradually you'll be asked to add features or create a new microservice on your own. This is where things get interesting. You'll need knowledge of building, fine-tuning, and evaluating machine learning models like linear and log regression, other ML models, working with computer vision models like YOLO, SSD, faster RCNN, knowledge of NLP libraries like NLTK, Spacey, and working with LLM frameworks like RAG and Agentic AI. You should also know how the Postman works, because the fast APIs that you will be creating would be tested using Postman. You would also need good understanding of reading and writing into the databases like MongoDB, Postgres, and MySQL, as the results that your microservice will be creating would be stored in those databases. Section 4: Cloud Deployment. Once your microservice is ready, you would need to deploy it. For that, you need understanding of Docker and Kubernetes and cloud platforms like AWS, including services like S3, CloudWatch, AWS Patch, EKS, ECR, Bedrock, SageMaker, and many more. So to summarize, if you have a solid understanding in Python and you are familiar with ML, DL, and NLP tools, and have a good understanding of APIs, cloud service, and containers, you will be comfortable in your project. If you want to know about the real world project that AI scientists typically work on, then click on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching.